According to the recent survey, job in Munstack developer has increased by 150% in last 2 years. You know why? Because tech giants and startups are looking for the freshers and working experience who are exactly experts in MongoDB, React.js, Node.js and Express.js. Yes, you're at the right platform. If you want to learn all the technologies together with HTML and CSS, we are having a very good course for you. The Munstack development is a robust combination of MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js and React.js. Also, you will learn CSS and HTML in this particular course. How you will learn this course? This is an app-based learning, so it's easy to install and yes, it's easy to learn. You'll be having live and interactive lectures by the experienced instructor. Apart from that, you will be having live and interactive projects where you will have hands-on experience on different projects. That means you will be getting experience on different kind of projects. And yes, you will be also getting multiple internships and multiple certifications for the same. Are you ready to dive into the modern web development? Then join our Munstack development course and unlock the opportunities in evolving tech industry. You can do one more thing. Visit our website today and take the first step towards becoming proficient Munstack developer. Also, you can do one more thing. You can share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Happy learning.